Hello everyone, welcome back to Globetech Learning Academy YouTube channel. Today I am going to discuss what is variable and what is data type. Okay, then what is variable? Variable is container in order to store some data or information. For example, age is a variable name and 18 is a data or information. And second example, height is a variable name and 5.9 is a data or information. What is data type? Data type is an indication of the type of data stored into a variable. In data types, we have two types. One is primitive data types and second one is non-primitive data types. In primitive data types, we have byte, short, int, long, float, double, char, and boolean. In order to store non-decimal numeric values, we make use byte, short, hint, long. In order to use decimal numeric values, we make use float and double. In order to store in the Boolean form, it should be true and false. In order to store single character in single quotes, we make use char. These are the primitive data type. And next, non-primitive data types are class, string, and etc. String is nothing but in order to store a sequence of characters. The memory size of byte is 1 byte. The memory size of short is 2 byte and int 4 byte and long 8 byte and float 4 bytes double. We have 8 byte. For character, we have 2 bytes. And Boolean, it should be true or false. And next, variable declarations. For this, we have syntax, data type, variable name. For example, data type is an integer, then variable is nothing but a age. Second example, data type is a double and variable name is a height. And next, variable initialization. So in syntax, we have variable name equal value. For example, variable name is an age equal to 18. And second example, height equal to 5.9. Or we can declare and initialize the variable in a single line. The syntax is data type, variable name equal to value. For example, data type is an int, variable name is a age, value is nothing but a data is equal to 18. And second example, data type double, variable name is height and value is 5.9. Means in order to store decimal numeric value, we make use of float or double. And string is a sequence of character. Okay, next, in order to store single character in single quotes, we make use of character. Means, for example, cat gender is equal to, yeah. Okay, thank you. In this session, if you have any doubt, you can comment. Thank you for watching and please subscribe our channel.